Follow the following rules to make your bedroom Feng Shui compliant and have a good night's sleep. You can go for soft stuff like blankets, pillows, sleep-related items. It will help free flow of energy and also heal you while asleep. Go for Feng Shui-friendly colors. Paint your bedroom with color as per you need. Place headboard as it signifies balance, stability and support in your relationship. Declutter underneath your bed from stuff like shoes, luggages, etc.as it can cause instability in your life and relationship. Bed should be placed so that is equal space on both the side of the bed. Most importantly, paint your room with the color of imagination and let positivity flow in. Decorative pieces like metal bowls, statues, and small sculptures not only add up to the beauty but also make your space Feng Shui compliant. A home with full of clutter and mess generally restrict free flow of energy. With a positive intention, let there be a positive connection of your intentions with your environment. Turn your entry beautiful with placing flowers, go green, etc., and also let it be well lit and bright. The clutter anyways obstruct the positive energy from reaching the residence. Avoid the coffin position where feet point out the door. With color as per you need. Go for red if you desire to ignite your passion. Go for neutral shades for relaxation. The artwork should incorporate all positive vibes into your room and does away with depression. Family photos can be saved for other rooms. Art of single people or objects should not be placed. Be careful about the art piece. The art piece you hang in the bedroom should be such that it lifts up your mood. Take blues and greens for health and healing. Pick up pink and peaches for long-lasting relationships. Feng Shui your bedroom. Bedroom is the most important part of your house personally and in Feng Shui as well.